Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that you are able to understand the lectures till now which have been delivered. Okay, so this is the continuation of the lecture, okay, which was delivered to you yesterday. So I will begin it with the recapitulation, okay, whatever we had covered yesterday. Okay, so in yesterday's lecture, we had discussed what is a simple, compound, and complex sentence. So we had started with the definitions, and then we learned that how we can convert a simple sentence into compound and vice versa. Okay, so today in this video we are going to that move further into the detail of this chapter. So conversion of simple sentence into complex sentence. So let's begin. Okay, so a simple sentence can be changed. So I'm going to begin with the definition, which is here, can be changed to a complex by expanding a word or a phrase. So this is the main point, a word or a phrase into a subordinate clause. Okay, subordinate clause means you will change this into by using a subordinate conjunction. Okay, you will try to form the sentence. So you will be using subordinate conjunctions over here. So that clause can be a noun, adjective, or adverb. Okay, so noun clause means a sentence, okay, which act like a noun. Adjective clause means a sentence which act like an adjective, and adverb clause means a sentence, that part of the sentence which functions like an adverb. So let's begin with the example. First example we have, we knew his guilt. Okay, so this is a simple sentence. So now whatever they have suggested us, okay, we knew that he was guilty. So the word guilt, okay, this is noun. Okay, and this we have changed this into a sentence. The word guilt is changed into a sentence. Okay, so a noun has been changed into a noun clause. So, if in other words, if I try to make you understand that guilt is transformed into that he was guilty. So, this is the technique to change a simple sentence into a complex sentence. We knew that he was guilty. Then, next one, another example we have, they knew the cause of his success. Okay, so now they knew the cause. What? So the cause of his success. So this phrase they have changed this into a complete sentence. Okay, so they knew why he succeeded. So why is subordinate conjunction? Okay, he is subject and succeeded is verb. Okay, so this is the subordinate clause, means to say this is the dependent part, they know is the independent part. Okay, so as we had discussed yesterday, the definition of complex sentence, dependent and independent sentences are combined with a subordinate conjunction. So same rule is being followed here. Okay, then adverb clause. So you can see that here we have adverb angrily. Okay, so we will try to change this angrily, okay, by using a subordinate conjunction, and we will try to change this into a sentence. He looked at me as if he was angry with me. So angrily angrily is converted into if he was angry with me. So like that we have converted into a complex sentence. So similarly, adjective clause. intelligent boys work hard. Okay, so intelligent is my adjective here. Okay, so we are talking about boys. Boys who are intelligent work hard. Okay, so these are some techniques, okay, through which we can use, means we can convert any simple sentence into a complex one. Okay, so in assignment 3, we have similar kind of sentences. Okay, so not feeling well, he decided to go home. So you have to change this into complex sentence. So we can use subordinate conjunction here. So I will use here as. As he was not feeling well, comma, he decided to go home. So this was the example for you students. Okay, so similarly, okay, you can go for the other sentences. Okay, the second sentence, okay, you can use so that. Okay, so like that you have to complete assignment 3. Okay, now let's move toward the okay next. Okay, so now here we will be doing the opposite, complex to simple sentence. I do not know where he lives. Okay, so here whatever till now we have done, okay, we will be doing now the opposite of that. Okay, now where he lives. Okay, so now we will try to change this into a simple noun. Okay, so address is noun here. I don't know his address. Okay, so in the next sentence, those who will come late, those who will come late will not be allowed to enter. So those who will come late, so means latecomers. So I have used a noun, sorry, adjective. I have used adjective latecomers instead of writing the sentence those who come late. Okay, so latecomers will not be allowed to enter the class. So this is quite interesting, students. So when you will try to solve this, so your mind will automatically start to give the suggestions. Okay, so the main thing here it is that okay, you have to undergo the process. Okay, so as you will try to make yourself familiar with the rules, okay, you will start to get the idea. So we have the similar assignment number 4. Okay, which can be okay, that complex into simple sentences. Okay, so let's discuss the first example of assignment number 4. When the thief saw the police, he ran away. So now, when the thief saw the police, I will try to convert this sentence, okay, into a phrase. Means I will try to remove subject and verb. So, having seen the police, I can say this also. Having seen the police, the thief ran away. Okay, we do not know where the teacher lives. So, where the teachers live, I do not know the teacher's address. Okay, so like that. Okay, so you can, like this, you can convert, okay, the rest of the sentences. Now, let's move toward compound to complex. Okay, so this is the next segment. Okay, compound to complex. So compound, we use coordinate conjunctions. Okay, so you just have to remove or. Okay, and you will be thinking about any other subordinate conjunction. So here they have used if. If you do not do what I tell you, you will regret it. So if clause is subordinate clause. So subordinate clause always help you to make a complex sentence. Okay. So in the next also it is the same way. Okay, so you can just go through these sentences. Okay, will give you the same idea which we are discussing right now. So assignment number 5, waste not and want not. So I can give you the hint, you will use if in this sentence. Okay, by using if, you can convert this into a complex sentence. Okay, so hope so that this hint will help you to get your desired answer. Okay, so in question number 2 also you can use if clause. Okay, so its answer key will be shared with you. Okay, so you just have to try all these sentences. Okay, and when the answer key will be shared with you, okay, so that time you can check it. Okay, if any doubt will be there, so when we will meet in the school, so that time, okay, it will be discussed. So student, this part is extremely important for your midterms. Okay, so kindly, okay, take it seriously, don't delay this work. Okay, so just a little attention and you will be having your all the answers with you. Okay, so these are not, okay, that difficult one. Okay, so you just have to take it curiously. Okay, so your curiosity will make it simple. Okay, so these sentences are interesting. So this is the actual grammar. Okay, so which arouses, okay, arouse, okay, some interest. Okay, so kindly take care of this thing. Okay, so now next one, complex to compound. Okay, so vice versa. So you can just get the ideas by just looking at the examples. So how the examples are given, so you will get the uh, different ideas, okay, from that how to convert. So let's discuss the first example. Okay, as he is ill, he cannot go for the picnic. Okay, so we will try to use subordinate conjunction. So they have used, sorry, coordinate conjunction. So that is therefore, therefore. Okay, he is ill, therefore he cannot go for the picnic. So therefore is a coordinate conjunction. Okay, so similarly we have assignment number 6. Okay, so the thief ran away because, I'm discussing this sentence. Okay, the thief ran away because he was afraid of the police. Okay, so the thief was afraid of the police, therefore he ran away. Okay, so you write fast, therefore you make so many mistakes. So this is so easy. Okay, so kindly try the rest of the sentences. Okay, so with this video we have completed, okay, this section of unit 14. Okay, so this was transformation of sentences part 3. Okay, kindly try to complete it. Okay, if any doubt will be there, so during the school session it will be discussed with you. Okay, so hope so that you are completing your assignments which are being shared with this video. Okay, so today also I will be sharing some assignments to you. Okay, some sentences out of these. Okay, so that you can get the idea. Okay, so thank you students, have a nice day, bye, take care.